Hey DIYers and homeowners, ever faced a repair without the right tools? Stop piecing your collection together and get a pre-assembled tool set. These sets come with all the basics: screwdrivers, hammers, measuring tape, and more. They might not match high-end individual tools, but they're great value and perfect for starting your DIY journey. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Let's dive in. Starting our list at number 5 is the WORKPRO 322-piece Home Tool Kit. This set is the most comprehensive, offering a wide variety of tools that cover almost every home repair need. Boasting a whopping 322 pieces, including both metric and SAE socket sizes, the standard sizes for automotive use, this WORKPRO set has you covered. The fixed-handle screwdrivers deliver the strength and torque needed for serious jobs, and 4 different wrenches provide a ton of grabbing and gripping functionality. There are slip-resistant grips on all the hand tools, including 2 hex key sets, 1 SAE and 1 metric. All these pieces fit inside of a heavy-duty storage bag made of 600 denier polyester with multiple exterior pockets for easy access to your frequently used items. Next, in 4th place, we have the DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit DWMT73803. This set is the best for mechanics, featuring high-quality tools specifically designed for automotive and mechanical repairs. It doesn't have some of the basics found in more comprehensive tool sets, but if you're looking for an option to tackle automotive projects, look no further than this 168-piece DEWALT set. The 72-tooth ratchet wrenches only require 5 degrees of swing to operate, and with 3 different sizes and a selection of adapters, they can fit into even the most cramped and tight spaces. I've been using this set for a few months now, and have been impressed with both the quality of the polished chrome pieces and just how easy it is to find what I'm looking for. Taking the 3rd spot is the Beyond by BLACK+DECKER Home Tool Kit with 20-volt max drill/driver. This set is the best for beginners, providing essential tools along with a powerful drill/driver. It's ideal for those just starting their tool collection. If you're starting completely from scratch, this BLACK+DECKER set with a power drill is a great option. The 20-volt drill packs enough power to handle basic household drilling tasks like picture hanging and shelf mounting, and thanks to the set of 10 drill bits, you can get started right away. I'm especially impressed with the quantity and variety of screwdriving bits in this set, which fit into the ratcheting screwdriver handle. All 83 pieces fit into the soft-sided storage bag, and at just 7.9 pounds, it's comfortable for just about anyone to transport. In 2nd place, we have the Amazon Basics 65-piece Home Basic Repair Toolkit set. This set is the best budget option, offering a selection of essential tools at an affordable price. It's great for those who need a simple and economical toolkit for basic repairs. This Amazon Basics set includes all the fundamentals at a fraction of the price of similar options. The soft-sided storage bag features a large main compartment for bulkier items, as well as several exterior pockets for easy access. The 16-foot tape measure is also much longer than the 10-foot options you see on other budget-friendly tool sets, and the extra footage really comes in handy for measuring floor space in larger rooms. You're also getting both a needle nose and slip joint pliers, and a torpedo level with rubber end caps, essential for hanging picture frames or mounting shelves. Finally, at the top of our list is the Craftsman Home Tool Set CMMT 99448. This set is the best overall, combining quality, variety, and value. Its durable tools and comprehensive range make it the ultimate choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Not too big, not too small. This Craftsman 102-piece tool set is just right. It provides everything you need to perform a wide range of basic household maintenance and repair projects without becoming overwhelming or disorganized. The hard-sided storage case mounts all the pieces in molded compartments, and at less than 5 inches thick, it's easy to store. We've always found Craftsman tools to have a valuable balance of quality and affordability, making this set just as useful as a home tool set as a backup you can keep in your RV, boat, or cabin. That wraps up our top picks for the best tool sets to be your own handyman. Now you know which option packs the essentials without the frills. Get yours to tackle small jobs and save big on repair costs. Thanks for watching.